Unified Payments Interface, UPI. Now you are familiar with Phone Pay, Paytm Karo. Well, if you have a mobile phone, you have everything in this world. You have hard cash. You can buy anything you like it. You can have a cup of tea from the roadside stall. You can have a cup of coffee from a reputed restaurant. You can buy a cigarette. You can buy vegetables. You can buy fruits. You can go to Super Bazaar. You can go to anywhere. You can buy a TV, refrigerator. Only thing is you need a mobile phone. That's it. And you need UPI, phone pay. Automatically the money will be transferred from your bank to anywhere. They call it as person to person, P2P. A person to merchant, P2M. That is, the life has become so simple with UPI. You don't have to carry money. These days we hardly find anyone carrying money in their pockets, carrying change. Even the beggars also accept UPI payments. You don't carry change when you go to a temple, to a mosque or anywhere. The beggars will be having their own that scanner. You can scan it and pay to the beggar on phone pay. So life was miserable some 10 years back before this UPI came. People had such a tough time because change was not available. These days through UPI you can pay 10 paise, 1 paise, 20 paise, 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 10 rupees. You don't have to worry about fraction of a rupee. But earlier, if you didn't have the change, I remember I used to go to a bank to get change for 10,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. I always used to keep bag loads of coins at home to give it to Mother Dairy in Delhi because the milk rates were in fractions. Maybe 1 rupee, 20 paise, 22 paise, something like this. So for this, it was very difficult. Without exact change, the vendor, the Mother Dairy booth wala will never give you milk. That was the biggest difficulty we had. All those difficulties have gone now with UPI payments, with phone pay. Well, life has become simple. So now in this video, we are talking about UPI. Now earlier there used to have only a few thousand rupees and 1 lakh rupees. Now the government of India, a National Payment National Payments Corporation of India has increased the UPI limit. Now you can make the payments up to 10 lakhs. Can you believe? Person to merchant. So these days, because with the economic development, people's income has gone up, everything has gone up, insurance premiums have gone up, so you have to pay in lakhs of rupees that you can pay through UPI. So capital, you want to buy bonds, shares, debentures and all, so you have to pay through UPI. That will also be, they have increased it to 10 lakh rupees, or you are traveling abroad. So if you have 5-6 members in your family, if you're going abroad, so you can't pay 1 lakh rupees or 50,000 or something. They have increased this limit to 10 lakhs. But person to person, if you're paying to a friend or someone, acquaintance, a relative, but still that remains same, that is 1 lakh rupees. So we will be discussing about UPI in detail. Follow it carefully. Unified Payments Interface, UPI, is an Indian instant payment and protocol developed by the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, in 2016. You can imagine before that how difficult it was to transact. The interface facilitates interbank peer-to-peer, that is person to person, P2P, and person to merchant, P2M transactions. It is used on mobile devices to instantly transfer funds between two bank accounts using only a unique UPI ID. It runs as an open source application programming interface API on top of the immediate payment IMPS, that is immediate payment systems, and is regulated by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Major Indian banks started making their UPI enabled apps available to customers in August 2016, that's time itself. And the system is today supported by almost all Indian banks. As of 2025, here I'll give you some figures. They may shock you. It might come as a big surprise. As of 2025, the platform had over 500 million active users in India. In the month of August 2025, 20 billion UPI transactions worth rupees 20 trillion were processed by the UPI system, equivalent to nearly 7,500 transactions an average every second. The widespread adoption and usage of UPI has positioned India as the global leader in instant payments transactions. The National Payments Corporation (NPCI) said the daily transaction limits for person to merchant P2M payments through Unified Payments Interface UPI will be increased to rupees 10 lakh from rupees 5 lakh from September 15. From 15th of this month, September, they are going to increase from rupees 5 lakhs to rupees 10 lakhs in case of person to merchant. However, the daily limit for person to person P2P transactions remains unchanged at rupees 1 lakh a day. You can transfer to your friend or a relative, your mother, dad, brother, only 1 lakh. This remains the same. The move is aimed at making even larger commercial payments through digital mode and frictionless for categories such as insurance and capital markets. The increase in UPI limits for insurance and capital market offers users greater convenience and flexibility, making high value payments simple and faster. In capital market investments and insurance payments, the per transaction limit has raised from rupees 2 lakhs to rupees 5 lakh with a daily maximum of up to 10 lakhs. You can go up to 10 lakhs in case of insurance and capital market. Similarly, on the government e-marketplace, that is GEM portal, including earnest money deposits and tax payments of up to rupees 5 lakh per transaction is allowed. Up from the previous, it was only 1 lakh ceiling. Earlier it used to be only 1 lakhs. When you are paying taxes to the government of India or when you are paying earnest money to take any government contracts, the travel sector will see a substantial upgrade with transaction limit raising from rupees 1 lakh to 5 lakh, complemented by rupees 10 lakh daily cap. Even in case of transport, travel sector also they have increased to 10 lakhs. That is, earlier it used to be 1 lakh to 5 lakhs, complemented by, that means you can go up to 10 lakhs daily limit. So, UPI, phone pay, Paytm Karo. Life has become simple. Life has become very easy these days. You don't have to carry any cash, only carry your mobile phone wherever you're going. we are within the country or going abroad. Within the country, it's easy. So now the purpose of making, we all familiar, you're quite familiar with UPI payments. I'm sure you must be making all the payments through UPI these days. Well, the purpose of making this video is from 12th of September, they are going to increase the ceiling. So in case of insurance companies, because these days insurance premiums have gone up, it can be up to 10 lakh rupees. In case of capital market, when you're buying bonds, debentures and all, that has gone up to 10 lakhs. In case of travel, it has gone up from 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs per transaction, complemented by, in a day you can pay up to 10 lakh rupees through UPI. Well, so as the economy is developing, the economic development is taking place, economic growth is taking place, the people's income is going up, as well as the premium insurance, health insurance premiums, life insurance premiums have gone up. So everyone these days prefers to pay through UPI. It's much convenient, much more convenient than making conventional payments. So they have increased, the National Payments Corporation of India has increased the ceilings. That's a good gesture. Only in case of person to person, it still remains 1 lakh rupees. So that's a good news, and life is becoming simpler, easier, very convenient with UPI payments. We don't have to, you can sit at home and make all the payments without even visiting a shop. You can buy from anywhere, Amazon, Flipkart, you can buy from any e-commerce sites. You make the payments through UPI. Not only that, from the local markets also, they do home delivery. Sit at home and do all the transactions through UPI. Right from small payments of 10 rupees or 10 paise to 10 lakh rupees, you can make the payments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Till we meet next time. Goodbye guys. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.